Hello students, now we are learning about how to solve the word examples. Practice set 12.2. First example is mother is 25-year older than her son. Find son's age if after 8 years ratio of son's age to mother's age will be 4 upon 9. In the first sentence, the comparison is given between the mother and her son. Mother's age is described on the basis of her son. Who is the base of comparison? Consider it as x. Here, son is the base of comparison. That means mother's age is described on the basis of her son. Who is the base of comparison? Son. So that consider his age as x. So that I am writing in the beginning. Let the age of son be x years. Then you can prepare the mother's age. Therefore, mother's age is equal to how she is? She is 25 years older than her son. If we consider son's age as x years, add 25 in the age of son, you get mother's age. Therefore, mother's age is equal to x plus 25 years. In the next sentence, what is given? Find son's age if after 8 years the ratio of son's age to mother's age will be 4 upon 9. In the second sentence, the relation is given which is after 8 years. Then what happens after 8 years? The ages of both will increases. So that I have written to the next. After 8 years, age of son will be x plus 8 years. Then what happens? The age of mother. After 8 years, age of mother will be x plus 25 plus 8 means x plus 33 years. We have prepared here the ages of both. What will be after 8 years? This is the age of son after 8 years. And what is the age of mother after 8 years? X plus 33. And in the second sentence, the ratio of son's age to mother's age. This sentence is important for writing the equality. Ratio of son's age to mother's age. That means you have to write down the age of son in the numerator's place and the age of mother to the denominator's place. This relation is of after 8 years, not now. This is not the ratio of present age. It is the ratio of what will be happen after 8 years. That is mentioned here. X plus 8 upon x plus 33 is equal to 4 upon 9. In this way you can prepare the equation. And this is the equation in one variable. Only one variable is used. Now do the cross multiplication. This is in the denominator. This is in the division. Transpose to this side, it becomes in multiplication. This bracket is in division. Transpose to the right side, it becomes in multiplication. So that I have written to the next step. 9 into 9 in bracket x plus 8 is equal to 4 in bracket x plus 33. To the next step, multiply by the term which is outside. This 9 is outside of the bracket. Multiply by this 9 to x and 9 to 8. 9 into x means 9x. 9 into 8 means plus 72. Multiply by 4 to x means 4x. Multiply by 4 to 33 plus 132. What is the general rule for solving? We collect the variable term to the left and numerals to the right. This 9x which is from the left, write down as it is. Now transpose this 4x to this side, it becomes negative, is equal to 132, write down as it is, and transpose this plus 70 to the right, it becomes minus 72. Then do the remaining calculation to the next step. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x and is equal to 132 minus 72 means 60. In between 5 and x there is multiplication sign. Transpose this 5 to this right side, it becomes in division. X is equal to 60 upon 5. Simplify this, 5 12s are 60, that's why x is equal to 12. The age of sun is equal to 12 years. In this way we have to solve the example. Now see the next example. The denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator by 12. If the numerator is decreased by 2 and the denominator is increased by 7, the new fraction is equivalent with 1/2. That means 1 upon 2. Find the fraction. This is very easy example. First of all, read the example carefully to understand the meaning of the words which are given in the example. It is the key to solve the word example. First of all, know the meaning of the words which are used in the example. Read the first sentence. The denominator of a fraction, yes, who is described here? The denominator of a fraction is described. How it is? It is greater than the numerator by 12. In the first sentence, the comparison is given. And the base of comparison, numerator is described on the basis of numerator. That's why numerator is the base of comparison. And who is the base of comparison? Consider it as x, like the previous example. So that I have written here, let the numerator of the fraction be x. Now base we have considered as x. Then denominator is described on the basis of numerator. We can prepare the denominator like this. The denominator of the fraction is equal to x plus 12 because it is greater than the numerator by 12. That means we have to add 12 in the numerator to get the denominator. Now we have prepared the numerator and denominator separately. Then write down the fraction. That fraction is equal to numerator write down in the numerator's place and denominator write down in the denominator's place. Therefore, that fraction is equal to x upon x plus 12. Now, what condition is given to in the next sentence? How it is mentioned in the example, same we have to do the operations. In the next sentence, if the numerator is decreased by 2 means subtract 2 from the numerator. And the denominator is increased by 7, that means add the 7 in the denominator. Then what happens? The fraction is equivalent to 1 upon 2. From the given condition, x minus 2 upon x plus 12 plus 7 is equal to 1 upon 2. X minus 2 write down as it is in the numerator's place. The sum of these two, 12 plus 7 means 19, is equal to 1 upon 2. Do the cross multiplication. 2 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to x plus 19. To the next step, multiply by 2 to the terms which are in the bracket. 2 into x minus 4 is equal to x plus 19. Collect the variable terms to the left side and numerals to the right side. 2x, transpose this plus x to the left, it becomes 2x minus x, and this minus 4 to the right, 19 plus 4. To the next step, 2x minus x means x, 19 plus 4 means 23. That fraction, in the beginning we have written the fraction. That fraction is equal to x upon x plus 2. It is our considered fraction in the variable form. The value of x we have find out here, 23. Now substitute the value in place of x, 23 upon 23 plus 12, and we get the fraction 23 upon 35, and this is our required fraction. In this way we have to solve the word examples.